William Irwin Thompson said, "For the first time in human evolution, the individual life is long enough and the cultural transformation swift enough that the individual mind is now a constituent player in the global transformation of human culture," meaning human evolution actually has seen many stages of its development, change, and transformation that made people into emperors and all-time greats in either education, business, capitalism, and other fields of knowledge, sports, research, etc., in one way or another. And that means human evolution really has seen progress, growth, learning, prosperity on so many levels and of so many kinds that we now have a dynamic life which can be used by our own understanding, knowledge, wisdom, maturity, not only for the achievement of our own intentions, aims, ambitions, or purposes, but also for the elevation and upliftment of the whole of society, to basically provide them with some kind of knowledge, technology, and creation that we create by our own knowledge, and that obviously changes the whole culture by impacting it and by making a mark and a statement that obviously reveals our knowledge, genius, wisdom, morality, maturity in the process. So the whole culture can now be changed by the knowledge, wisdom, maturity, or genius of only one person. And that is what is happening now in the modern world. Only few people are now in charge and absolute control of most people, if not all, on the globe and all countries in terms of finance, economics, politics, education, knowledge, religion. We are being controlled and led by the shepherd, and that person may belong to capitalism, bureaucracy, government, politics, or other fields of knowledge, and that person may be a great businessman, an elite, either social or political, that controls societies, cultures, and ultimately politicians and whole countries. And that person may be influencing our mentality, affecting our behavior, and obviously changing our actions and thinking from time to time. And now in this country, we're now being led by billionaires. So we now are no longer in control of ourselves and our own independent thinking and conscious decision making, but we're now just paying our money to the billionaires for the recharge of our internet packs. And that means we have lost to some degree our sovereignty, authenticity, and individuality in the process, because we are now in the influence and sphere of power of the billionaires and the elites who are controlling